This is the Japantown Historical Walk number 6, Benkyo-Do Candy Factory, 1906. As the Issei established their new community in the Western Addition, they made an effort to maintain their cultural traditions. For over 100 years, Benkyo-Do has provided generations of Japanese Americans with manju, tea cakes filled with sweetened bean paste. Manju are presented as omiyage, a gift to take a host, served at tea ceremonies, or placed as memorial offerings on Buddhist shrines and altars. The New Year's ushered in with special round kagami mochi, pounded sweet rice cakes, and a symbol of prosperity. The cherry blossoms of spring are greeted with delicate sakura manju. Benkyo-Do was one of the first businesses found in the new Nihonjin Machi, Japanese town, after the 1906 earthquake and fire. Founder Sueiichi Okamura handed down the recipes and traditions to his son Hirofumi and his grandsons Ricky and Bobby. Today, Benkyo-Do is Japantown's last original manjuya, Japanese pastry shop, where over 300 pieces of mochi and manju are made by hand each day. The shop remains an important community gathering place, filled with sweet memories and neighborhood camaraderie. This is written on the plate, but Benkyo-Do has actually closed 2023 April. It is regretful, but the changes was inevitable as well.